Today's video is the DC superheroes Spider-Man versus Green Goblin. Green Goblin is swooping in on his glider with his wings that can move up and down. Pretty cool exhaust. I like Green Goblin's outfit and his hat. And here's his pumpkin bomb. Unfortunately, the pumpkin bomb is a real letdown. It won't lock onto his hands anyhow, and it won't lock onto his vehicle anyway. So basically, you'll just have to pretend with that pumpkin bomb. And here's Spider-Man's helicopter. This is pretty cool. Spider-Man is holding his camera, of course, because he is a detective. And helicopter rotor does spin. He has 2 flick missiles, and if you look on the box, it portrays the missiles as firing missiles. Unfortunately, they do not fire. Again, you'll just have to pretend to fire against the Green Goblin. I was hoping that this was going to be an action set so we could fire a missile at Green Goblin, and I was hoping that his pumpkin bomb would launch at Spider-Man. But it doesn't. And there's a better look at Green Goblin. He is really mad with that face. And we'll get a closer look at Spider-Man. Spider-Man doesn't come with a hat or a helmet. He just has a plain old Lego head. So that's a little weird. And of course he's wearing his original Spider-Man DC outfit, not the new one that you see in all the new Spider-Man movies. And this is set 76064, 85 pieces, recommended ages 5 to 12. Lego's coming out with a lot of new superheroes: Captain Cold, The Flash, The Hulk. We already did a video on Spider-Man and Superman and Batman, Clash of the Heroes. This is another Mighty Micros set, so check it out. $9.99 for these sets. Great value. You get 2 vehicles and 2 figures. We really like these new DC superhero Lego sets. They're cheap. They're only $9.99, and there's a bunch of new ones coming out with all of the superheroes. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. Okay, and they're all put together. Spider-Man's helicopter with his flick missile. And Green Goblin's glider, where you can move the wings up and down. Green Goblin also has his pumpkin bomb. So, I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time on Giggles the Toy Elf. Bye.